Students, see page number 6. Now in this paragraph we have to learn national development, ideas about national development. If, as we have seen above, individuals seek different goals. In the previous paragraph we have studied how people's goal are different from each other. Then their notion, here notion means idea, of national development is also likely to be different. They have different ideas about their development. Like this, they have different ideas about the development of country also. Discuss among yourselves on what India should do for development. Now you have to discuss yourself, you have to think yourself what India should do for development, means how can we develop our country. There are so many ways. The people, they think differently. Someone will tell, if we provide good facilities, medical facilities. Some will say, if we provide good education facilities, so we can develop. Someone will say, if we provide employment and jobs, then we can develop our country. So these are the different notions about the national development. Now see the next paragraph. Most likely you would find that different students in the class have given different answers to the above question. If you are asked what India should do for development, so different students may answer different, because individuals seek different goals. Like this, the different students can think different as per their thinking. In fact, you might yourself think of many different answers and not too sure of any of these. So different ways for the development of our country. Now by reading this paragraph we can understand it is very important to keep in mind means remember. You have to remember that what different person could have different as well as conflicting. Here conflicting means we can say the opposition, opposing, opposite. Conflicting notions means opposite ideas. Different persons, now they have the different ideas of a country's development. Now next see this paragraph, last paragraph, and try to understand. However, can all the ideas be considered equally important? So people of our country, so they think, how can we develop our nation, how can we develop our country? So as per their ideas, so all their ideas are important, equal? I think no. So or if there are conflicts, how does one decide? So definitely, so their ideas totally different and opposing also. What would be a fair and just path for all? So what is the good way, what is the good we can say the method, proper method for the development of country? So we have to think ourselves for that. We also have to think whether there is a better way of doing things. Which is a better way for doing things means which is a better way for developing our country. Would the idea benefit a large number of people? So large number of people, if we accept one of the idea, one of the we can say the notion which are suggested by the people, so if we adopted it, so we can get a we can say that we can get a proper benefit to all, for we can say that to whole society. Now, national development means thinking about these questions. So, what is the meaning of national development? Means thinking about what the people think, which are the ways and methods which are suggested by the people for the development of countries. So, all these are questions, and when we try to find out the answer, it's called the, okay, we can say the notions, their notions of the different persons' notions. Now, by reading this paragraph, again we have understood here different persons, they have different ideas. Now, remaining paragraph we will read in next clip. Thank you very much.